2 owner, only 42,000 miles. Now these are only seat covers. There is gray leather underneath that is absolutely perfect. Same with the dash. It has a black leather dash. That is only a seat cover. You have the upgraded sound system. As you can see right underneath it, gray leather. You got heated seats. You got the X mode in the Forester. Big sunroof. As you see in the back, this is the gray leather that is up front. There's just no seat covers in the back. You do have an outlet back here as well. Big sunroof. Only 42,000 miles, senior owned. Fully serviced, she's ready to go.